Have you ever thought about it? The whole world is using AI, the whole world is building data centers, but this tech frenzy comes with a price. In January 2026, America's largest power grid operator issued a warning. 13 states, 67 million people could face power outages at any time. This isn't alarmist talk, this is happening right now. I researched this news and found 3 shocking facts. Fact 1. AI eats way too much power. Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, it uses 10 times the power of a Google search. One data center's electricity consumption equals 50,000 homes. That number is just insane. Fact 2. The grid can't keep up. The capacity price of America's largest grid jumped 10 times in 1 year, from $28 to $329. What does that tell you? Power is running out. 3. Even the government is panicking. In January 2026, Trump urgently launched a $150 billion plan forcing tech giants to pay for new power plants. Think about it. If the problem weren't serious, would the government be in such a rush? These numbers are right here. This isn't a question of if it will happen, it's a question of when. So the question is, how will ordinary people be affected? Scenario 1. The panic of losing contact. When the power goes out, your phone is your only tool. Contacting family, checking outage alerts, lighting, it all depends on it. But here's the thing, modern people check their phones 150 times a day. We're so used to our phones always having power. Once it dies, that feeling of being disconnected from the world, honestly, it really freaks you out. Scenario 2, your entire digital life paralyzed. Someone experienced a power outage, went to the supermarket, wanted to buy some candles and batteries, pulled out their phone to scan. The clerk said, "Sorry, the POS machine is out too. Cash only." Yes, searched their wallet and only found a few dollars. See, no power, can't pay, can't open doors, can't work, can't get messages. Your entire digital life just paralyzed. Scenario 3, what about the family? If you have elderly people or kids at home, the anxiety is even worse. You need to stay in touch with them at all times, but once your phone dies, that ability is gone. Not to mention food in the fridge going bad, some medical equipment stopping. These are all real risks. When it comes down to it, modern people's dependence on electricity isn't about convenience anymore, it's about survival. When the power goes out, your phone is your lifeline, so what do? Actually, preparing an emergency plan isn't that complicated. 3 steps are enough. Step 1. Figure out what you need most. When the power goes out, what device is most important to you? Phone definitely comes first, then computer, tablet, rank them by priority. Step 2. Calculate how much power you need. Charging an iPhone 3 times takes about 12,000 milliampere hours. Charging a MacBook once takes about 27,000 milliampere hours. Added up, you need at least 30,000 milliampere hours. This number you need to have in mind. Step 3. Set your standards. Capacity must be enough, charging must be fast, and it needs to be portable. Based on these 3 standards, I found a 3-piece solution. This solution is simple. 3 things covering 3 scenarios. Power bank, carry with you daily. Fast charger, keep as backup at home. Car charger, emergency in the car. 3 layers of protection, step by step. Let's start with the power bank. I chose the Anker Prime Power Bank. 26,000 milliampere hours, can fully charge an iPhone 5 times, can fully charge a MacBook once with some left over, but that's not even the most important part. The most important part is it can charge 3 devices at the same time. Total 300 watts output. When the power goes out, your whole family's phones and computers can all charge at once, and it's smaller than an iPhone, can be taken on a plane, business trips, travel, no problem. Now the fast charger. A lot of people only think about power banks but overlook one question. When the power comes back, how fast can you charge all your devices? I use the Anker Prime charger, 160 watts, total power 3 ports, each can reach 140 watts, 45 minutes, MacBook, iPad, iPhone, all charged to 80%. This speed is what matters because you don't know when the next outage will happen. Being able to charge fast, that's peace of mind. And it's only the size of an AirPods case, 43% smaller than Apple's official charger. One is enough for going out. Finally, the car charger. This is what a lot of people overlook, but think about it. Your car itself is a huge mobile power source, a car battery can charge a phone dozens of times without issue. The problem is you need a good charger. I chose the Anker Nano charging station. There's a design I really love. Retractable cable automatically retracts when done. No more dealing with a mess of cables. 75-watt dual port, fast charging drive for 30 minutes. Phone charges to 50%. More importantly, if the power is out for a long time, you can sit in your car, use the car charger to charge your power bank, then take it home and keep using, forming a cycle. These three things together can cover 90% of outage scenarios' total cost, $300 to $400. You might think that's a bit expensive, but think about it. Large energy storage systems start at $1,500. Traditional generators are $500 plus noise plus fuel, can't use in city apartments in comparison. This solution is affordable, can be used daily. Not something you buy to collect dust. This is the real value for money. After all this talk, some of you might be thinking, is this just creating anxiety? Really, it's not. This is rational preparation. Today you can do three things. List your most important devices. Check if your current charging gear is enough, then build a habit. Fully charge your power bank weekly. It's like buying insurance. Everyone hopes they'll never need to use it, but it has to be there. In this era of increasingly fragile power, power freedom is real freedom. And this freedom might just be hidden in that power bank in your pocket, not to show off anything, just to have in uncertain moments. One more bit of certainty, one more bit of security. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with friends who might need it, and feel free to chat in the comments. How do you handle power outages? See you next time.